A writ issued by the court ordering the confinement of a person so named in penal institutions. A. Provision order. B. Bail. C. Detention order. D. Commitment order. Answer: D. Commitment order. The most common form of sexual perversion in prison facilities is A. Homosexuality. B. Sexual assault. C. Pseudo-marriages. D. Sodomy. Answer: A. Homosexuality. A method employed to allow prisoners the opportunity for normal sex life. A. Visitation. B. Self-gratification. C. Sodomy. D. Conjugal visit. Answer: D. Conjugal visit. The UN Standard Minimum Rules for the treatment of prisoners are also known as A. Nelson Mandela Rules. B. Richard Phillips Rules. C. Imelda Marcos Rules. D. None of the foregoing. Answer: A. Nelson Mandela Rules. Deduction to the term of imprisonment due to the convict's exemplary behavior while in prison. A. Indeterminate sentence. B. Good conduct time allowance. C. Parole. D. Probation. Answer: B. Good conduct time allowance. It refers to a sentence of imprisonment for the maximum period defined by law, subject to the termination by the parole board at any time after service of the minimum period. A. Indeterminate sentence. B. Good conduct time allowance. C. Parole. D. Probation. Answer: A. Indeterminate sentence. Suspension of sentence of convict after serving the minimum term of indeterminate penalty without granting pardon. A. Parole. B. Reprieve. C. Commutation. D. Fine. Answer: A. Parole. It refers to the reduction of the duration of the prison sentence of a prisoner. A. Amnesty. B. Pardon. C. Commutation. D. Reprieve. Answer: C. Commutation. It refers to the deferment of the implementation of the sentence for an interval of time. A. Amnesty. B. Commutation. C. Reprieve. D. Pardon. Answer: C. Reprieve. It refers to an act of grace of the chief executive that grants a general pardon to a certain class of offenders but requires the concurrence of Congress. A. Amnesty. B. Commutation. C. Reprieve. D. Pardon. Answer A. Amnesty.